Hi, today I'll show you how you can control your Unreal Engine editor from a browser. You can use this method in anywhere. Currently I'm using the localhost, but you can use different computer with a different network IP. But if you use different network, you need to use this link, not this one. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, go to your plugins. Enable the pixel streaming plugin, this one, pixel streaming. Restart now. Okay, so after restarting the project, we need to go here, pixel streaming. We need to click this one, launch signaling server. Okay, so it's launched now. Now go here. You can use any of the link over here. So I will use this one, the localhost. Uh, You can use this one if you want to remotely control your PC from another location or from another computer or another network. So, but today I will use my own computer, so I will use this one, localhost. So I will click this one, stream file editor. Then I will come up here. Then the link will be 127.0.0.180. Click to start. You see, I'm now controlling my Unreal Engine editor from a external browser. You see,